Because I already feel my ego inflating with helium right now, guys.
Well, if you want me to go and sell my coins, then just watch the channel.
Look at all these people waiting to get into Bitcoin. Can you imagine? Guys, what's up? What's up? What's good? So we're talking about crypto today, guys. We're talking about Bitcoin, and we're talking about the fact that it's up to 61K. It doesn't look like it's slowing down, to be honest. It looks like it's actually doing prime for liftoff, prime for pump party, prime for whatever you want to call it. But guys, we got to remember one thing. The transaction costs on Bitcoin are not sustainable. So what will happen in this case, what I think is going to happen, not financial advice, we think that during these periods of high spike Bitcoin transactions, we do see an influx into the altcoin market. We haven't really seen it yet. We might not ever see it. You might be sitting here fucking scratching your head till the day we die. But that's what we're anticipating, guys. That's what we're betting on. Because if we don't bet on that, guys, we bet on just one coin. That one coin might be the one that ends up winning. There might not be what we think is going to happen, but that's no reason to stop believing, guys. And I think very shortly here, guys, people are going to see that some of these altcoin positions, they just don't move like anything else. They don't move like other coins that are more slow moving. They're just really, really fast, guys. And I keep talking about this because it's something I've experienced. It's not based on me hoping and praying and, you know, getting you guys to buy into the fact that this might happen. I have seen this. I've seen Dogecoin go 300% in a few hours. I've seen Bitcoin SV shoot up to 300% in a few minutes. I've seen this, guys. So I know how fast these coins can move. And that's why I'm so bullish, guys. That's why I'm so bullish on the coins we talk about on this channel. And I'm bullish on Bitcoin too, guys. I don't want you to think I'm like this BTC hater guy. That's not who I am. I own some Bitcoin, and you know, it is what it is. If my coins don't perform the best, who gives a fuck? You know, who cares? A lot of these coins are going to perform really, really well, and it's kind of silly to just choose one. I mean, doesn't that sound pretty stupid? And guys, if anybody that disagrees with me and you guys are in on just one coin, I might be wrong. You guys might be right. You know, I'm not claiming to know everything. I'm also not claiming to know really jack shit, guys. I'm just a spectator like you guys watching all this stuff play out. But I base stuff on my own experience, guys. I don't base stuff on what I hear online. Even though you guys, if you're watching this channel, you kind of are believing what I'm saying here or sitting there laughing your ass off. But all my stuff is based on actual trading experience. What have I experienced in crypto up till this point? What have I seen? And I've seen an altcoin market that moves incredibly fast. And I'd rather be in on these altcoins than try to jump in as they're going up. So that's why we're talking about them constantly, guys, because as we see BTC edge up, what we can kind of assume is BTC will keep going. BTC might run sideways, but if it just stays up in the general zone with all these trading pairs against these altcoins, same with Ethereum, you can expect to see massive volatility in the altcoin market. That might be a good or bad thing depending on when you got in, if you're trying to hold the positions or you're trying to trade the positions or you're just trying to exit the positions. That could get pretty hard to do when the volatility starts picking up on some of these altcoins. Not to mention, guys, I want to take you guys back to the summer of Sam. What? The summer of Sam? No, the summer of 2016. Okay, that's when we saw a massive altcoin push against the BTC trading pair. That's when we saw the massive push against altcoins. That lasted a few months, and then they kind of went down. And then in 2017, they rallied again with Bitcoin all the way to 2018 on dollars, hitting all-time highs on pretty much every coin. So that's what opportunity we're going for on the channel, guys. We're looking for no less than 10x gains, or at least I'm not. If it's under 10x, I'll just pretty much just you know, be holding indefinitely. Now, even if it enters to 10x, I'm not stupid enough to sell my entire bag. And if I am, I'll probably have to suffer the consequences from that, guys, because I know how that'll play out, and I know how my stupid Neanderthal, greedy, humanoid Neanderthal mind works. And it's just like pretty much everybody else. You guys think you're smart. You're not. I think I'm smart. I'm not. And that doesn't mean I'm not smart. That doesn't mean you're not smart. But we're talking about crypto, guys, and crypto is incredibly volatile. Something this volatile, it doesn't matter how smart or how much of a savvy trader you are, likely you're not as smart as you think you are. And, you know, this doesn't apply to everybody. I'm sure there's individuals out there that are sitting there like either not watching this video anymore or saying I'm, you know, full of crap and they've done so well. But I would say for the most of us guys, we're brainless, okay? We are brainless. So that being the case, you gotta figure out where you stand in all this. Do you want to be a sissy little wussy seller guy and sell out short? Or do you want to hold and be a fucking whale and then lose all your money? So either way, both of those scenarios sound pretty stupid. So that's what we're talking about on the channel, guys. That's what we're kind of buying into because we want to see an altcoin pump. We want to see everybody try to think they can time the market, and then we want to see them all realize that they can't. So, you know, I don't know where I stand in all this, guys. I can't tell you where you stand, but I can tell you that people's egos get very elevated as these coins go up. And we saw this last year on this channel in about June where Bitcoin Cash went up, and I thought I was just fucking high and mighty King Tut. Well, I'm here to tell you those days are done, and we're going to play a more conservative approach to this crypto stuff moving forward on the channel. And we're going to move into basically just hold forever. That's basically what this channel is geared towards, is hold forever, watch the volatility, wipe everybody out, and watch you still have your coins that have increased in value. That's kind of what we're pushing on the channel, guys. And I'm not telling you not to trade. You guys have heard my strategy on this crypto stuff. 1/3 of my portfolio, and I don't even really consider it a portfolio. I just consider it net worth because I use it as money, guys. I spent Bitcoin Cash yesterday to pay my rent. You know, I had to go to dollars, unfortunately, but that's just the way it works, guys. My landlord doesn't accept Bitcoin Cash, so, you know, I'm forced to pay with dollars. But my point is, guys, is it doesn't matter where these coins go. It doesn't matter how high these coins go. The real world is the real world, and it'll always be the real world. And there'll always be opportunity in this crypto stuff because the real world sucks. It's not made up to help anybody that's not already rich. So you think about these dynamics and you think about where crypto is currently, and you think about how everybody's ego becomes super big and the fact that they think they've made a genius trade, and likely they won't. They'll be milked out of their positions to the point where they can't even get their positions back, and they're buying at a fucking 10x just to get the same positions. And that's even less attainable than crypto staying down. So what we're talking about, guys, is holding forever. Like I said, I've told you, sorry guys, drifting, but I told you guys that what I'm planning on doing is dumping my grayscale stocks. And I might not dump them permanently. I might keep trying to, you know, I might leave some in my brokerage account and keep trading these grayscale stocks. But for me, I'm too paranoid to sell my crypto. I'm too scared to sell my crypto. And I know that sounds bad. Like, what do you mean you're too scared to sell your crypto? Like, I am too scared to sell because the moment I sell is the moment it goes up. It happened last night again. I sold some small Bitcoin Cash to Gemini Crypto Exchange for dollars, and it goes up 20 bucks per token. So, like I said, guys, I'm convinced that this super sensitive system is aggregated in a way to either fake you out of your position or just continually go up based on whether or not it reverts back to the original bag holders and just goes up based on how many people are trying to trade this stuff or trying to come in and out and capture profits. It's a very different type system than just the way Wall Street trades stocks, okay? It's a different thing. So people try to compare it to the stock market, you know, and it's just not the same. It doesn't trade the same. So, like I said, guys, we're putting our money where our mouth is on this channel, and like I said, we'll probably just hold our coins. I'll probably just hold my coins indefinitely, and probably regret selling them at a point that I never could have sold them at, or selling them too early and regret the fact that I can't get them back. So think about those two options, guys. And like I said, you guys know my strategy I've been talking about is dumping these grayscale stocks, but I'm not even anywhere near where I'm gonna dump. So we'll make a video when I dump them, guys. It'll be kind of funny because it'll be, you know, it'll be a large dump for my little fucking realm of existence. You know, obviously in my little peanut world I live in with peanut money. But either way, guys, you know, just watch this stuff play out, guys. Don't think that you've all of a sudden became a savvy trader All right, guys, we'll catch you later. We're about to go live here too, so come check us out. Take care.